Invideo AI is a tool. It helps you make videos. It is easy to use. You don't need to be an expert. Invideo AI is online, you can use it from anywhere. You just need a computer and internet. It's that simple. Making videos is easy with Invideo AI. You can make videos for your business. You can also make videos for fun. Invideo AI has many features. You can use templates. Templates are pre-made designs. You can add text to your videos. You can also add music. Invideo AI has a library of free music. You can also use your own music. Invideo AI lets you be creative. You can make any video you want. You can make money with your videos. You can sell your videos online. Websites like Shutterstock buy videos. You can also freelance. Many businesses need videos. You can make videos for them. You can also use your videos to promote your business. This is called content marketing. Invideo AI is a powerful tool. You can use it to make amazing videos. You can also use it to make money. It's easy to use, it's affordable too. Start creating today. You can achieve your dreams. Invideo AI can help you get there.